Good day and salutations. Today is Wednesday. You know what that means, don't you? That's right, a new episode of the Unboxing Pez Show. So, without any further delays, I present to you for your viewing pleasure, the Unboxing Pez Show.
Unboxing Pez.
Hello Pezzers, and welcome to the Unboxing Pez Show. Today we get to open new Pez, and you're here too, and that makes today special. Let's get to it, shall we?
But first, make sure you subscribe. Please like and share this video.
Oh, it's orange. Orange bubble wrap. Oh, wow. Wow, kosher seal. Assorted fruit candy. Paskesz Oodles candies. Torah Oodles. Wow, those are pretty wild looking. We gotta get some of these. Under the supervision of Rabbi Benjamin Gruber. Wow, free the Pez, I always say. Get them off this card. Look at these Pez. Such wonderful Pez. There's purple in there. Pez, the greatest candy in the world. Pez. The greatest candy. The greatest candy in the world.
The greatest candy in the world.
Pez, the greatest candy in the world.
And a toy you can play with. Look at the color combination on this. It's blue cab and purple truck body. Bed of a truck. Wow, it's a big rig with movable wheels. Nice advertising premium from Paskesz. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Oodles. Torah Oodles. I can't even quite make that out. It's a little smaller. Oodles. Kind of reminds me of what it looks like. Those little candies like Nerds or something. Have to find some of these and get them. I bet you they're delicious. We gotta ship out these oodles and oodles of candies. Big rig style.
It's fun. It's delicious. It's Pez.